On January 11th, 2026, a man reported to the police station to file a criminal mischief complaint, alleging that his ex-girlfriend vandalized his vehicle and apartment.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you,
Yes.
report it?
Yep.
The mischief?
Yes.
Alright, so, what happened?
Basically, I got a call this morning from my leasing office.
I was just letting you know that I'm walking behind.
Oh, sure. Got a phone call from my leasing office this morning over at Ocean Walk, telling me that my car was vandalized and I have to get it fixed immediately, or else I have like issues with my leasing agreement. I'm just here to report it.
So what happened to your car?
Basically vandalized, keyed it, spray painted. The windshield wipers are tore off, and the rearview mirrors are bent back.
Jesus.
Tesla Model 3.
Like an ex-girlfriend type situation?
Yeah.
That's what we're thinking?
Yeah.
Does it say anything on it? That would,
it has
one of those like cheater ones? Or?
Yeah, those along the lines of that, slurs. It has my phone number spray painted on it. She also outside of my apartment door, spray painted the door, and to the right of the door, spray painted the walls of the apartment building.
Damn.
Wow.
At this moment, the seriousness of the situation becomes crystal clear. This isn't just a scratched car. This is extensive property damage involving spray paint, destruction of mirrors, and vandalism of an apartment complex. Legally, that matters. Damage to multiple properties and a leased vehicle dramatically raises the stakes, especially when the leasing office is already threatening consequences. And notice the officer's question about pressing charges. That's the fork in the road. Once the victim says yes, this stops being a private dispute and becomes a criminal case. Would you have pressed charges here, or tried to keep it civil?
Okay.
So, that being said, do you want to press the charges on it?
I do, absolutely.
Alrighty, do you have your license on you?
Yes.
Now, where's the car?
It's in the same place I parked it, in the apartment complex.
Now, do you have any, footage of the person doing it?
No, I just have I have a text message. So if you see here, it says tell Droby Takaya to go outside, look at his car. And this was one of her friends.
This is from her?
No, this is from one of her friends.
Okay.
Yeah. So at the top it says tell Droby Takaya to go look at his car. So it happened overnight.
Oh wow. That's one that would be there. All right.
Can I see the message?
This is where the case pivots from accusation to investigation. Officers aren't just taking his word for it. They're collecting Ring camera footage, corroborating timelines, and heading straight to the suspect's residence. That's key. Police don't make arrests based on emotion. They build cases on evidence. And when Ring footage enters the chat, everything changes. Cameras don't argue, don't exaggerate, and don't forget. If you're innocent, footage helps you. If you're lying, it becomes the silent witness that dismantles your story piece by piece.
Sure.
Again, from that you received, do you have any information about your ex-girlfriend that you suspect doing it?
Information.
What's her name? Where she lives?
Oh, she
phone number.
Yeah. I have her number. Yeah.
How old is she?
Just turned 19.
Okay, 19. Yeah. Okay. When did things go south? How long ago has it been?
It was around New Year's. Yeah.
You're in the military, I'm guessing, right?
Yes.
Okay. What branch?
Maybe.
Officers collected additional evidence at the man's apartment, including Ring camera footage, and then proceeded to the woman's residence.
What's her name again?
You know her?
Yeah,
Figures.
So what's up with her?
She keyed and spray painted the guy's
Her boyfriend cheated on her. She took it out on his car and the wall.
She's more like verbally aggressive. I don't know if she's gonna try to fight, but especially if you guys are.
Oh yeah, well, I know her. Cool.
You see? Yeah, she's annoying.
Let me guess, you went to school with her?
Yeah. She's always been
Graduated
problems.
too, probably, right?
No, she got held back. I graduated with her sister. Her sister's like A-star though. Her sister's like a music prodigy. I think she's at Berkeley.
Nice. Doesn't want to fall off the wagon, I guess.
Okay.
So they're like completely like keyed in the freaking. It's crazy.
Yeah, oh my gosh, she's crazy.
I'm gonna take a lead on this. So introduce yourself, all this nonsense. So you figure out what you got.
This exchange is subtle but powerful. The officer reads her rights and repeatedly asks a simple yes or no question. Do you want to talk? Her hesitation, deflection, and confusion signal something important. From a legal standpoint, once she agrees to talk, everything she says can be used against her. And right here, she's already losing control of the narrative. Instead of clarity, we get contradictions. Instead of distance, we get familiarity. This is where many suspects talk themselves into charges without realizing it. Would you have asked for a lawyer at this point?
After, and then if it starts going south, I'll take over. All right.
Oh boy.
Chewy, you're his own partners. I'm standing with him.
The one.
Huh?
Hi, Kaya.
Yes.
I'm Mike Jakubowski with Police QS Department. I would like to ask you some questions.
Yes.
All right. I would like to step outside. All right. That was Officer Basulo, Officer Brabick, Deputy Ladd over there.
Might be.
So, yeah, we've got the call about some incidents that happened last night, and that's what I would like to talk with you about.
Okay, I'm listening.
But before I'm gonna start, I have to read you something. That's just your rights. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to answer the questions or make a statement on this time?
What is this about?
Well, it's, I need a question. I'm sorry, I need the answer from you. Yes or no?
Yes or no for now.
For now.
For what exactly?
We had a call about the incident that happened last night.
What happened last night?
Well, I will tell you as soon as you're gonna
Okay,
tell me
I'm
if you would like to. Would you like to talk with me right now?
Yes, I can talk to you.
Okay. So we got a call from I guess that was your old boyfriend.
No.
Yeah.
No.
This is your ex-boyfriend, right?
This is your ex-boyfriend.
No.
Where you know?
I know who that is, yes,
Okay,
but that's
cool.
not my ex-boyfriend.
Okay.
So it's not
How
a-
would you
so-
describe your relationship?
With him.
Friends, I guess.
Do you guys used to meet with each other like before?
No,
Like
one of my
back in the
friends
day?
was actually dating him, and then I was starting talking to him afterwards, but it was not really like that.
Nothing. So
Not serious.
did you know where he lives? Did you go and visit him at his own place?
I know that he does live on Seaside, but I don't know exact address or
Okay.
anything, because I was friends with him, so
Okay.
of course I know.
Do you know about his car? What happened? Do you know anything about it that
No.
you can tell me?
What
about
car?
His car? Like
What
his
car?
personal Jacoby car?
I'm saying what kind of car is it?
Oh, it's a Tesla.
No.
No. Do you know anything about the damage which might happen to this car?
No,
Okay,
I
last
don't know
night?
nothing about it. I was with my friends yesterday. You said this happened when?
That happened yesterday about 3 a.m.
This morning.
This morning, basically, yes.
Yeah, no. I was definitely in Staten Island with my
You're-
friend on 9th Avenue.
So you don't know anything about the incident that might happen out there?
No.
So you were saying that you were not there?
No,
in the
not
car.
last night. I was definitely out on Duval for I was actually talking to I don't know his name, but one of you guys, and because I know him, I seen him last night, so he could tell you I was there last night. And also I was on 9th Avenue last night, nowhere near anything that you're talking.
This is the moment the walls start closing in. The officer doesn't accuse, he confronts with facts. Text messages, ring footage, specific statements she made, including, "I already did." Every time she tries to explain it away as joking or being a messenger, her credibility erodes further. In criminal cases, consistency is everything. Once your story changes, investigators stop asking questions and start confirming charges. The frustration you hear from police isn't personal. It's procedural. Lies don't just hurt your case. They build the prosecution's case for them.
Okay, so you were not in this area at all?
No.
You're saying. So you're saying that you don't know anything about the damage might happen?
Do you know anyone who would do anything?
I just said he had this ex-girlfriend, and then I started talking to him, but I don't talk to the girl anymore.
Did you talk with his new girlfriend right now at all?
No, but people were texting. Well, I mean, I guess you could say I was, because they was texting my phone, threatening me, because they thought it was me this whole time, and that's why I'm sure you guys are here right now, because they thought it was me. And I have threats from like 3 different numbers.
You're
like,
getting it. Okay, so you're saying that
text
you're getting
messages.
What are the threats then?
Like, if you don't pull up, like, I know where you live. They even sent me my address.
What'd you say to that? And I just want to let you know that I already know what you said to that.
I don't know exact words, but
I mean, you texted
Rough
something.
estimate.
well, I was just talking shit back because obviously I'm going
No,
to.
it wasn't talking shit. There was a clear statement.
Well, I definitely was, so that's what I was saying.
Okay. I mean, there was definitely a lot of shit talking too, but when they asked you to pull up, it was something that you said.
What I can tell you guys is that one of my friends was telling, like, I was basically the messenger in all of this.
Okay.
But I didn't know exactly what went down.
Who's this
Like,
friend?
I don't have, like, information on that.
Who's this friend?
What
Who's the friend you're talking about?
That you're the messenger for.
One of my homeboys. But it wasn't the boy, it was actually a girl, so I don't know. But it was through me and him. I was texting him.
Okay. No, you were texting Lynn.
Yeah, Lynn was texting me.
Okay,
She was
no, I
threatening
know she
me.
was texting you too. I know. I read the messages.
Okay.
So
I
this is the time when
understand.
you can stop lying and make stories
Lying
up.
about what?
Lying about you just talking shit back. You said
This arrest isn't about emotion, it's about thresholds. 2 counts of felony criminal mischief means the damage exceeded legal limits and involved multiple victims, the individual and the apartment complex. That's why officers move decisively. Felony charges carry long-term consequences, criminal records, court costs, restitution, and potential incarceration. And notice how quickly things shift from conversation to cuffs. Once probable cause is established through evidence and admissions, officers are legally obligated to act. This is the real-world cost of impulsive decisions fueled by jealousy and anger.
something, right? They asked you to pull up. You said, I already did.
Like
Go
I
check
said,
his whip.
I was the messenger.
Okay. Did you see the ring camera upstairs by his house?
No,
The one that shows you walking past it?
no.
Okay.
Did you go by that house this morning?
This morning, no.
Like last night, this morning
Last
at
night,
3 a.m.
after midnight.
I just told you guys where I was.
You said you were with friends, right?
Yes.
So why does the ring camera show you walking alone?
I don't know if you got the wrong person or not.
Alright, I'm just gonna be straight up with you, okay? There's one thing in this world I can't tolerate. I'll work with you all day. I don't tolerate liars. Alright?
Okay. Since
It's not
when
the
was
wrong
you a
person.
cop? That's
Since
crazy.
about, oh, this one?
Good for you.
Like he already said, we seen the messages, we got the videos, we got everything. So
Okay.
all the lying right now, all it's doing is hurting yourself and discrediting your character.
Well, I'm telling you that I was the messenger, and I know that somebody
The
did.
messenger for who? One of your homeboys that also is a girl? Like, who are the names?
This case is a textbook example of how personal conflict turns into criminal liability. A breakup escalated into vandalism, digital evidence contradicted verbal claims, and inconsistent statements sealed the outcome. The judge will ultimately weigh intent, damage value, and credibility, but the groundwork has already been laid by video footage and text records. The broader lesson here is simple. Emotions fade, but criminal records don't. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns you won't want to miss.
Okay, so like I said, I was the messenger, and I have a feeling
I mean,
that
like, I read the
somebody
messages on the car, too.
did go to their house, obviously, because it wasn't me, and you're telling me that I'm
In your
on
message you said, I already did.
Yeah, because I was joking. I wanted them to think it was me.
Okay.
But it's not me, so I was just a messenger.
Okay.
I mean, like, that's petty
So-
shit. Like, that was it.
I mean, it's
That has
pretty
nothing to
expensive
do with
petty shit, if you ask me.
What? Do you know what happened?
No.
No?
Can you guys show me? Okay, well.
How long have you known him?
Like, I've known of him for, like, a while now, but...
How long's a while?
Like, since, like, September or something. Or October.
Okay, and you said that he was your friend's ex?
Yes,
and
but
then you
I
guys
was
were
with
friends
him.
and,
Yeah,
right?
kind of.
So if you're him...
Friends-wise, though. Not, like, dating
Okay.
or anything. That's what I
Right.
said.
No, I mean,
That's fine.
is anybody else home right now?
My
Anybody?
brother's
All right,
downstairs.
cool. Stand up, put your hands behind your back.
I'm getting
Yes,
arrested.
you are. This one.
For what?
Stand up. There are 2 counts of felony criminal mischief, okay? One against Ocean Walk, one against your
Well, I
friend.
have diabetes. I need to grab insulin for my
Yeah, no, I got you. We'll get it. We'll get it from your brother.
The woman was charged with 2 counts of felony criminal mischief. The case remains ongoing.